Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We have some new products in stock I want to share with you. Some really cute stuff. So Catherine Pooler just had a new release and this die is super pretty, isn't it? So you can like cut this out and inlay the pieces. You could cut this out in black and then inlay the pieces with color cardstock. It looks really, really pretty. And this one is called the Peony in Bloom. So really pretty. We've got the Salt Lake City sequence. Their sequence is always really pretty. And this sequence matches the paper. Let's see, it's called Spring Pick and Mix. So it's got some really pretty yellows and pinks in there. And then these really pretty iridescent flowers. So we've got some spring stamps here. So this is a great border stamp. Look at those cute little bunnies, their backsides with their little tails. And then, so that's one piece, it's a nice border. And then we've got a border of Easter eggs and then this floral border. And then you get some sentiments. Springtime is here, happy birthday, and sending you cheer. It goes really nicely with the stamp here. And this is the spring into Easter. And what cute bunnies those are. And then there's a tree stump, some mushrooms, and a little frog and a bird, some Easter eggs, flowers. So we've got sending you cheer, happy Easter, and spring has sprung. I do have the die for that one. And then this blessed stamp set and coordinating die. So we've got the blessed word and then the stamp set. So you get your bigger sentiment and then the smaller ones to go underneath or on top of the blessed word. So I love the font. When all else fails, God doesn't. By what you did, so blessed by what you did. I am unbelievably blessed. So you get the picture. You can just like mix and match the sentiments to create something perfect for your card. We've got new from Darcie. So I love Darcie's. They're so cute. And there's these flat back tins that you can purchase to add some dimension to your card. So they're flat. You just add some adhesive to stick them onto your stamped image. And then you can color the image to coordinate with the color on the tin pins, and the coloring on the packaging matches the tin pins, so you know exactly what colors to use. So this one goes with this cute little spring mugs. I love this little bee mug. That is so cute. And then we've got a cute little bunny mug, and the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, the spring and summer Coffee Lovers Blog Hop is coming up real soon, so it'd be perfect. This stamp set would be perfect to use for that. I believe in you, a latte. Words cannot express how happy you make me. You mocha life so sweet. You mocha me so happy. So very cute sentiments. And then this one's really cute. The little bees. It's called Be All Right. So you got a little bee landing on the flower and then one holding a flower. In the sentiments, be sure to savor the sweetness of every day, and every little thing is going to be all right. So I love that. And then the cute little tin pins. Let's see what this one's called. Choose Happy. So cute little squirrel, cute balloon with a little face, a party hat that you can add to the squirrel. He's holding a sign. You can put the sentiments in. Things will get better, you'll see. Choose happy. The greater the storm, the brighter the rainbow. And your coordinating tin pins, these ones. And this cute little guy is called Hope Blooms. So cute little fox coming out of those flowers. He's holding a bouquet of flowers. And then you get an egg. You're a good egg. And there's a little face you could stamp on the egg. And then where flowers bloom, so does hope. And then your coordinating tin pins. And then this is what I have left over from the CC Designs release. So this cutie, she's so cute. This is her dressed up as Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, and she comes with a sentiment: dreams really do come true. And I just love her because she's cute, and she's got those little shoes that you can color in ruby red and have her look like Dorothy, so really cute. And then there is witches, so the little characters from Wizard of Oz. And then we've got this one too, so cute. Look at the little characters from the movie. You give me courage, there's no place like home. So really cute, and love that theme. And then I thought this one was super, super cool. I can picture using this. I love little splatter stamps. I love adding texture to my stamps. And if you don't want to get a little mess using your little paintbrush and splattering on your own splatters, you can just stamp them on. And these are nice and big. And I thought these would be really cute behind an Easter egg, you know, like you were painting an Easter egg. Just have like the splatter coming out from behind your Easter eggs. And then if you had like a paintbrush or something, that would be super cool, don't you think? And then there's two dies. So we've got a sunray die, paper piece, different colors back in. This is a square one. And then we've got the slim line. So we got 4 windows and then this long area here. You can add a sentiment there. So a nice price point on these dies. So you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order, and US orders over $60 ship for free. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. Check out my other video. I'm sharing the new doodle bug. So cute, guys. I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.